outside of Napa Valley is stepped on. I just finished raising Kanan. I learned that. This right here is the real deal. Okay, I like San Francisco. They got hot fires, flaming hot lime, gummy bears.
No, that's what I'm saying. How much funnier do you think the lamb?
And sunchips. I'm here for it. And the jalapeno chips. They snap.
The articles.
When I tell y'all, living in Houston has me scarred, or I don't know if I'm using the right word, whatever. Houston was 80 degrees. It is like 50 degrees right now. Like, I feel like I could go. I said I feel like I could go and air will come out. It's 61. I'm freezing. Here's Danielle. Hi, vlog. She told me to pack jackets, but of course I didn't do that. Well, Saturday is gonna be 70. Sunday will be 68. It's gonna be warmer down in the valley. It's just cold up here by this water. Okay, that makes sense. I think they have a black mayor. Did you see that? Yes. Her name's London. I was like, okay, San Francisco.
They're very liberal out here. And then kayaking, I'm like, please don't fall in the water.
Man, I'm not gonna lie, with kayaking, those boats look really little and low, and I'm just like, I pray to God.
Marissa's mom went kayaking recently and she fell in the fucking water.
I'm clumsy. I can see myself being the one to fall. Like, of course, we have the tiniest car in the world. That's in the city. He said we going to Napa. We got to get out. This is gonna be a fun ride too.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Subscribe to my channel. All right, new car on the way. And it's 1 o'clock, so check-in is at 3. We doing pretty cool on timing. Toyota Corolla, red, okay. So we're going to Napa, is that fine? Yes, we're going to Napa, is that fine?
Where are you going?
Napa.
Napa? Okay.
Okay, cool.
How many hours?
1. Yeah, how many hours? We're good to go.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this is where we'll be residing for the weekend. And it is a pretty new hotel. It's only been open for a couple months.
Are you fine?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Drive safely.
Thank you, ladies.
5 stars. Have a good one. We've made it. Hi. All right, so this is Cambria. It is pretty new. Literally smells new. I guess that was pointless showing you all the toilet. Yeah, it smells new. You can still smell like the paint and the glue. It's a nice hotel though. I have no complaints. This is my bed for the weekend. And here is our view. We got some sunlight. Yep, so this is our home. Okay, coffee. We got a little iron. And here's the TV. Okay, guys. Harvest Dispensary. This is, I believe, Napa's first dispensary. Hi.
How are you doing today?
doing pretty good. How are you?
Doing well. This is our first time.
Yes. Is it okay if I vlog?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Okay, cool.
Quick question. Do any of us have a doctor's recommendation?
We do that.
What's that?
No.
No? Alright, so Napa County is still medical. We do require one more in the shop, but you can definitely get one for those.
You said we could what?
You can definitely get one for us if you guys got the time. It takes about 20 to 15 minutes.
We definitely have the time.
For sure. Go ahead and scan that QR code. And then if she would like to go on as well, she would have to scan that.
Excuse me?
If she would like to go on in the shop.
Oh, okay.
Scan it as well. And then you're just gonna answer a couple questions. Let me know if you guys are starting today.
Okay, so do we just hit get started?
Yeah. Definitely. And then just throw it out there. It does cost $39, but we do reimburse that back in store credit if you guys spend over 100.
Okay, well we'll be spending over 100. Are you from Napa?
I am actually.
Cool.
Where are you guys from?
We're originally from Chicago. Yes.
What's your blog?
It's just like lifestyle, travel. So I'm here for my birthday.
Today's your birthday or when?
So my actual birthday is Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
No, there's a birthday joint waiting for you in there. Any joint for this $20.
Oh, cool. Okay. How many drinks per week did you put, sis?
I didn't answer that. I didn't get that far.
Medical, we do require one in order to shop.
I'm gonna say 3 to 4. We just keeping it a buck.
Takes about 15, 20 minutes. Costs $39.
A TikTok that was like, the doctor always asks you like how many drinks you have per week, and the maximum is always 4 to 6. But baby girl, I'm a city girl.
Alright, it's my birthday, so I'll try birthday cake.
Okay, this is a sugar-based still with white chocolate chips, regular chocolate chips, and birthday sprinkles.
Vlogging.
Is it good? You want to try one?
Yeah, I'll try one. Can I try the sugar cookie?
Absolutely.
That birthday cake is good. Can I try turtle, please?
Sure. This one does have nuts in it though, okay?
Yes.
Why am I dumb? I thought this was ice cream with cookie dough. It's 100% cookie dough. It's really good.
Are you getting one?
The cookie?
Cookie dough.
Do you bake it or we just you eat it? You eat it? You eat it? Yeah, I'll take a small of the sugar cookie.
I think I don't know, I'm torn between turtle and birthday cake. They were so good. Okay, can I do a half and half, please? A tiny portion though, not like super, super big. Thanks. It was delicious. We really came in here for tea. It's been a long day. We sitting up here trying to get into the wrong room, and we're 2:36. Never put your purse on the ground if you're superstitious. And we're back. So I just wanted to show y'all the detail. I think this is so cool. I like the headboards. Anyway, let me show you guys what we got. We went to the dispensary. They didn't let me record. And we got so many goodies. Can't wait to bust them open. The game plan is after getting dressed for dinner. Okay, so this is my bag. lemon ginger cannabis infused gummies for focusing. Mango raspberry for relaxing. Then we got the wedding cake. Then we got the runts. Then we got the, what we got? Made with real fruit. He recommended this one. Strawberry cannabis infused gummies. This one, packaging is super cute. Sparkling white grape sativa gummies. I got 2 of these. And these are watermelon cannabis gummies. And then lastly, I think I showed y'all the runts. Yeah, I showed y'all the runts already. So these are my goodies. She has some drinks because apparently she's thirsty. Yeah, I was gonna say that in the car. These drinks look like a vibe. And then she also got the relax gummies. The day off peach CBD hybrid infused. What's this?
It's a balm that you can rub on sore muscle.
Oh, that's dope. I didn't even see those. And they didn't give me stickers. Oh, do you want one? Pink October. That's so cute. Yeah, you keep that one. Because I think this one is cute. And then she also got the peach gummies. So yeah, we're gonna be really relaxed this weekend. Nice relaxing weekend of sipping wine and just, you know, learning about the wine. I'm gonna be like so interested. Like, tell me more, tell me more. And then we went to this coffee shop and they had cookie dough. So I got turtle cookie dough and birthday cake. Cause if you know me, you know that I love me some sweets, okay? Love them. And I'ma do it like it's my birthday, baby. So I kind of messed up my hair and my curls are gone, but I'm gonna make it happen. Anyway, car is here. You ready? Or should I just go? Okay. I hope he doesn't leave us. I'm gonna call him. So I got this dress in Miami over the summer. It's him, I think. Hello. Damn. Where's the elevator? See, this is why I don't leave out by myself. Okay, there it is. I'm so used to being the slow friend these days. I'm like shocked that I'm ready before Danielle. I think I put too much oil in my hair, so that's kind of annoying.
We're going right here?
Yes. Okay, Sprinter, who in there?
College used to be.
Right? Like homecoming naked.
I was looking at that picture that you sent me and I was like, this is probably the middle of February. It was 0 degrees and we were going outside like that.
Yeah, we used to be very cold during college.
Johnny's hideaway.
Do you have anything you want to say to the people? The lighting is amazing. Look, don't you look bomb?
Yeah.
Like, this is content for your channel. Okay.
Alright, so we're at Restoration Hardware. They have one of these in Chicago, but I've never been. So I'm excited to experience it for the first time. I think I'm going to start off with a glass of wine. And we're going to try to get our angles in here. So pray that the light God is with us and the angle God. And I'm going to show you all the food when it comes out. So apparently today is January 20th because it's Danielle's birthday right now. And we're having a photo shoot for her, but you know, it's fine. I don't mind taking the back seat on my birthday. While you're doing that, are you gonna be drinking light or red? I mean, white or red? I wanna get the most expensive glass they have. Do it like it's my birthday. Click it.
I am clicking.
Oh. Keep going. Is it recording? But it takes pictures.
Is it recording? Oh yeah, it is recording. I want y'all to see this girl. Let me start
over.
recording. So we both took an edible before we left the room, and mine has kicked in. And how do you feel, ma'am?
Okay. Destiny, my dear sister, is getting on my fucking nerves. And it's so funny because why do we always fight like this? Like, literally, who's fighting? Exactly. Like, she doesn't think she's fighting. I don't think I'm fighting. It's just we're not meeting. Which is odd because we're both air signs. I don't love you to death. It's fine. We're gonna have a great time tomorrow when we go first back right in. Let's toast. So Danielle got the chicken, broccolini, the truffle fries. They smell amazing. And my grandmother told me to get seafood while I was out here, so I got the lobster roll. Shout out to my granny. Here's our drinks, the beautiful waterfall.
So the beauty of vacation is you don't have to think about the things that trouble you when you're back home. It's like while being on vacation, create a vibe where you're enjoying the moment so much that you're in euphoria. Like right now, the food is delicious, the ambiance is everything. And I'm with my best friend since 3rd grade. I wonder, does she still think I'm her best friend, or is it just me?
Forever and ever, baby.
Period. How's your food? It looks good. So we've decided to have another drink because all the Ubers are nowhere to be found. The Ubers are nowhere to be found, so we decided to have another drink. And when I tell you guys, this wine tastes like vodka in there, not tequila. It's so strong. I feel like the wine.
Just in one glass, a little bit of a birthday present.
Thank you. The wine. Where is your big brother? The wine in Illinois and Houston and everywhere outside of Napa Valley is stepped on. I just finished raising Canaan. I learned that.